Hey guys, welcome back to Mountain Built. We started this morning, but I forgot to throw you guys on to show you what we got, progress we got going. I'll give you a little bit of rundown here. Working on some of the drywall, trying to get the drywall to continue. Jim's up there. We put the outriggers up there, and we also SDS, this 4x6 outriggers, so we can nail the fascia on. So we're working on that right now. Hopefully have that fasciaed up. Got the whole roof nailed down now, so the roof is all good to go. Had my roofer out here yesterday, and he gave me a material list and priced everything out, so I got all the roofing on order. Hopefully it'll be in by the beginning of next week. We're working on those A35 clips that need to go up there, and then we also hung all the can lights as well as the box for the fan. So we're moving right along. I still got to hang the ones up here. Want to get that done after fascia and drywall and all that good stuff. So moving right along today. I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I can get the drywall up and drywall inspection so I can site it. Once I get the siding done and nailed off, then I'll be able to get the roof on. So I need to get that inspection done, the nailing inspection, prior to getting that roof on. So stay tuned. I'll give you a little updates while we're going, and continue on. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to Mountain Built. We're here on a new day. We kind of stopped shortly after I was talking with you yesterday. Got a little bit of drywall hung up. We also got a couple eaves or fascia pieces up there. We got to figure this one out after we figure out the little tail kickouts. We got two tail kickouts. Ran a line so we can match up all the rest of the tails with it. So Jim's not here yet. He's working on the tails. I'm gonna keep working on the drywall in here and keep going to town. So stay tuned and watch the progress. All right, so I got some drywall on. Now I'm cutting blocks while Jim builds the tails. He's building the little kick out tails. I'll show you right here. So yeah, we're gonna keep cutting those tails over there. Then we're gonna sheet down it, put a fascia on it, make it look nice, make it look Hey guys, welcome back to Mountain Built. We're on the job site again today. It's a new weekend, so I'm off. You get some new footage this weekend. Worked on a couple things this morning already. I hung the fan in the master. Also put a new box for the chandelier that's going to go over the tub. Oops. That one has a bar across, a little stronger. I'm gonna hang the other light, but now it's time to do something that we're about ready for now. We need to get it done sooner than later, and that's demo the laundry area. Demo this so I can build a wall right here. We're going to, oh, I need to get the wood for building the wall too. We're gonna demo that out, but I'm gonna do like a really easy demo so I can maybe still use my washer and dryer. That's what I'm hoping on. So stay tuned and watch to see if I can demo that area, build a wall, and still have the laundry room going, or the laundry cabinet, I should say. All right. Well, there you have it, guys. We done tore out the old laundry corner there. If you ever wonder what's behind your laundry walls, that's all the pipe and all the craziness behind there. So yours isn't probably as jimmy rigged as mine. Mine's pretty jimmy rigged. When I tore it out, I was surprised from even the ceiling. The ceiling had no studs in it. It was literally framed out with drywall on top of nothing. I mean, and it spanned pretty good too. So I don't know how they got away with some of that stuff. The header for the actual washer wasn't even nailed in over there. There was no nailing whatsoever. It blows my mind. So I'm glad that we tore out the old addition and we're fixing all the stuff that really needed to get fixed, because a lot of it was just jacked up. So lunchtime, continue watching. We'll be back in a little. Hey guys, we're back on another day. It's kind of the afternoon. We've been working pretty good this morning. So what we did is I cleared out the rest. I'll show you real quick. Cleared out the rest of the pipe in the rest of the wall. I finished nailing off the shear wall here. We ran all the water lines, gas line, electrical line, and everything out to there. You can see on the other side of the wall here, we got our box in here, our washer box. There's our drain that hooks up already. We have it teed off here so we can run our vent pipe up. We connected our PEX to the existing water lines there and then ran them up into the box. I'll bring you around on the other side so you can see. So this right here is going to be the new water box. Obviously drywall is going to come over here later on. We got an electrical box running that 220 in here for the dryer. Just cut out a hole for the vent pipe. This vent pipe's going to go down and then shoot out to the side of the house down there. Also, I hooked up my sub panel right here, or mounted the sub panel. So all the wires are going to come down into the top of the sub panel and going to be ran with these breakers here. So basically the decision we made was to run a sub panel in the laundry room. That way it's out of the area, but we have access to all the new addition. So all the new addition, the bedroom, the laundry room, we're going off the existing electrical, so we're not going to take any spots. It's already ran out. Why reinvent the wheel on that? But all the new existing addition, we're going to be running through the sub panel there. So that includes the living room, the patio lighting, the bedroom and the bathroom and the closet lighting are all going to be ran out of that sub panel. It just seemed like an easier way to run everything to there, run one Romex wire underneath the house from the new panel, from the new 200 amp panel out here, run it to the sub panel. From the sub panel, then we can wire up the rest of the house. It'll only take up 2 spots out there instead of each circuit running there, and then we'll have its own dedicated spots for each area, because it does kind of get a little convoluted when you're running separate lines all the time, because all the lights have to be ran on its own circuit. All the bedroom lights have to be ran on their own circuit. All the bathroom has to be ran on its own circuit. And then all the plugs have to be, there's so many plugs that you can run on one circuit. So it would have gotten stacked up pretty good, so that we just made the executive decision to run one wire to the sub panel. It's going to cost me an extra maybe $50 for the wire and the maybe 100 wire and the sub panel, but then from there we're saving money because we're not running every line out to the panel, the main panel out there. So yeah, so we did that. We've been really focusing on the laundry room. I want to get everything hooked up today, so we have a laundry, all the laundry's working, we can use it. I could put that wall in, everything's good, so we can move on tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be kind of a big push for the drywall and siding and stuff. I know I've been saying that for a while, but tomorrow is going to be the big push. Wanted to make sure all our framing's done on the inside. We have a little bit to finish up some drywall backing, stuff like that, but the majority of our walls are done, are in, and so we can move on to the outside. I'm hoping tomorrow we can continue the drywall, get that all knocked out, start putting the windows in, or put the Tyvek on and then start putting the windows in, get the windows in. I might do a run down to Home Depot today, a little later today, so I can pick out a back door. If I get a back door today, then I could literally have this place almost completely enclosed by tomorrow. That would make things a lot nicer. We can open our living room up. Yeah, we're still in a construction zone, but at least the house is tight and secure. That was one of the biggest things we were worried about, is the house isn't completely secure. We have a back open door, we have an open door on the side, and then we have the area where we're doing laundry. It was kind of boarded up, but we're still going in and out for laundry. It would be really easy to get in to our house, so we want to make sure it's all secured. We're in a relatively safe part of town, but that being said, I want that security. I want to get everything locked down pretty good. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll throw you up on, or I'll give you another update here shortly. Just kind of wanted to give you an update of where we're at now. And tomorrow will be kind of the big push to get a bunch of stuff done, and you'll be with us for that for sure. Sorry I didn't film too much today, but it was a lot of just boring trying to get some things done. Oh, I also hung, this thing's pretty cool. So we got our main can light, which is here, and then I put this can light in. This can light's gonna go in between the shower and the bathtub. But the cool thing about this guy, I think I showed you before, there's a bezel that goes over here and your bulb goes in there, but it's a fan with a light. So the light's gonna be on this circuit that's gonna be switched by, so you could turn on both lights. And then over here, when you come in, this is where the toilet's at. There's gonna be a switch here. When you flip this switch, it will turn on the fan up there. So that was really cool. We're gonna do the same thing in the laundry room. I don't think I'm gonna have it on dedicated circuits. I think it's gonna be a turn it on, light and fan all on the same circuit, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's gonna save on some wiring. And the cool thing is if I could do it that way, I already have, all I'd have to do is move that switch right there in the corner, that switch because that is live as of right now. So if I could just move that switch box over just a little bit so I could build my wall, then that switch will turn the fan and the light on. It's already wired up, it's already existing. We don't have to reinvent the wheel, it's already there, ready to go. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll give you a little update before the end of the day. Might take you with me shopping at Home Depot or Lowe's. And yeah, so thanks for hanging in there, and we'll see the next update here shortly. All right, so we just made it out of Home Depot. We secured the door, got all the hardware, so you'll see tomorrow us installing it.